Today we're going to keep going with surface area. It will be a surface area of triangular prisms. Not completely different from like the rectangular prisms, just a little bit. So on page 181, this is actually identical to the notes for rectangular prisms for number 1. So I didn't even put it up there, but you can use nets to help find surface area. We had already said that yesterday. But to find surface area, again, it's the area of each face, and then you add them up. So for a triangular prism, that is 2 triangles, 3 rectangles. Every time. 2 triangles, 3 rectangles. There's no little trick like doubling it or anything like that that we can do. You got to do the shapes. The only thing that can kind of help you out is this one says the top triangle is equal to the bottom triangle. The 2 triangles are equal, okay? It kind of depends on how you turn your triangular prism. It's not necessarily a top and a bottom triangle always. It could be a left and a right triangle, right? Or a front and a back. It just depends on how it's turned. But the 2 triangles are equal, and then we got 3 side rectangles. It's really not super bad, though. All right, so I took this one from example 1 there. Mine's colorful, yours is black and white. But here's how this works. We have 2 triangles. In this case, this is a front and a back triangle. I got a triangle here. I've got a triangle here. You see? They're the same. And then the part that's maybe a little harder to see is I've got a rectangle here. I've got a rectangle here. But then you got to remember there's a rectangle on the bottom too. So that's 3 rectangles. So here's how this works. I'm going to save the triangles for, well, we'll do the triangles first. Area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2, right? The base and the height make a 90-degree angle. So we need 90-degree angles. So you can see I've got the 90-degree angle right there. That means this side and this side make my triangle, okay? Or my base and the height. So I've got 12. That one's easy. What's the height? 5. Sometimes that's what you got to do. You got to move it from one part to the other. So we got 12 times 5 divided by 2. So 12 times 5 is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. How many triangles are there? 2. I'm just going to put 30 again, but yeah, it'll bring you right back to 60, won't it? Now we need the rectangles. To me, the easiest way to do the rectangles is to take the number that connects the 2 triangles. Okay? So what I mean by that is right there goes from triangle to triangle, right? That red line is not a part of the triangles. Everybody clear on that? What number is that? 8. All 3 rectangles use the 8. Okay? The other 3 numbers, well, in this case, there's only 3 other numbers, but the other 3 numbers are the 3 sides of the triangle. So, 12, 5, 13. Okay? So 8 times 12 is 96. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 13 is 104. Then we add them up. So 96 and 104 is 200, plus 40, plus 60. We get 300. And hopefully that's the answer they have in the book too. Yeah. Okay. Any questions on this? Like I said, this isn't horrible. All right, so look, I'll do one more, then I'll have you try one. What two numbers make my right angle? 4 and 3. So that's what I use for the triangle. We do 3 times 4 divided by 2. That's 6. There's 2 of them. Then, what number connects the two triangles? 4. We got it right here. So all 3 rectangles are using 4. Now what are my 3 sides? 3, 4, and 5. So 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. Then we add. 6, 6, 12, 24. 24 plus 16 gives you 40 plus 20, 60, right? And that's our answer. Any questions on that? Not so bad, right? All right, so the idea still works the same. What's the height on that triangle? Is the height one of the sides of the triangle, though? No. So do we use that 6 for the rectangles? No. Go ahead and give this one a try. All right, who thinks they have the right answer? Nope. All right, yeah, 420. So look, watch. Shh. base and height on my triangle make the 90-degree angle. So 16 and 6 are my base and my height. So I'd have 16 times 6 divided by 2. That was 48, right? And then front triangle, back triangle. So we got another 48 for the other triangle. Now, what number's connecting the two triangles? The 9. The 9's not part of the triangles, so all 3 rectangles are going to use the 9. Then we use the 3 sides of the triangles. Well, we got a 10, and a 16. 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 16, 144, right? And then we add them up. Okay? Any questions on that? All right, so look, I just wanted to show you this one because it's not always a front and a back triangle. Now we got a top and a bottom, don't we? So look, what numbers make my 90-degree angle? So 4 times 3 divided by 2, that's 6. We got 2 of them. What number's connecting everything? 10. So the 10 is connecting. We use it 3 times. So we got 30, 40, 50 for the rectangles. Then we add things up. 34? No, that's not right. 132, sorry. 132. 132. I misadded in my head. It's when I doubled it, I guess, again. All right. After I corrected my addition, everybody good on that one? Any questions? Not that bad, right?